Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter and I'm here to tell you all about the world of MineBest. We're very proud to be the diamond sponsor of the Hong Kong Blockchain Week, and without further ado, let's get into it. Right. So MineBest was established late 2017 by the CEO Eyal Avramovich, and it is located in Warsaw, providing consumers with the world-class blockchain-based products and services. We're focused on technologically advanced infrastructure projects, building, managing, operating data centers tailored for cryptocurrency mining activities, but also we're developing blockchain-based products and solutions. When we started out in late 2017, we had a very small operational capacity and just one little data center of 3 megawatts. Within less than 2 years, we have witnessed a very impressive growth because we've gone from only 3 megawatt to a total operational current capacity of 162 megawatt, spread over 5 data centers, 4 of which are in Kazakhstan and 1 in China. 3 of them have an operational capacity of around 20 megawatts and 2 of them are the size of around 50 megawatts. Our office locations are in Warsaw, Poland and also in Shenzhen, China. Everybody likes infographics. As said, 5 data centers, 4 of them Kazakhstan, 1 in China, with a total operational capacity of 162 megawatts. We're planning currently an expansion of more than 200 megawatt in several different countries, and we are currently negotiating with local authorities and energy public providers. But of course, infrastructure is not everything. MineBest has invested a lot of time and effort into sponsoring several international blockchain conferences over the last 2 years. We have done so on more than 25 occasions, and this is one of the reasons why the MineBest brand is currently a globally recognized leader in the mining industry. Another hugely important aspect is, of course, the team that is dedicated to the MineBest brand, and it's growing. So our strengths in summary: we have a capital-intensive advanced infrastructure as seen already in Kazakhstan and China. We have access to very low electricity costs, and this is a major cost portion, obviously, in the mining industry. And we run modern, highly efficient ASIC equipment at our facilities in Kazakhstan and China. But as said, the global brand recognition and a dedicated team are, of course, very important aspects as well of the success. All right. Let's give you a little visual glimpse of one of our main facilities, the 50 megawatt facility in Kazakhstan. There we go. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that one. The size of our operations never fails to amaze me. But that's it about MineBest. Let's focus a bit on the crypto space in general. What we're here to talk about is the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and in general, blockchain technology. If we talk about the future of cryptocurrencies, we see a few potential risks. First of all, the long-term sustainability of mining operations. There's an ever-increasing need in the mining industry in order to remain competitive to grow the numbers of ASIC machines. We could even call this, in a way, an ASIC race that is currently developing across the globe. And another issue is that there's basically less and less Bitcoin left to mine. So the competition is growing tremendously over the last few years. And this definitely poses some risks for the long-term sustainability and the profitability of mining operations. Another issue is that The mining industry has matured in the last few years. It's not the cowboy industry it used to be anymore. But it still doesn't have internal quality standards. And in order to become more credible and more trustworthy for several global partners, this needs to change. And last but not least, the mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is a very, very crucial issue. In this regard, let's revert to a small quote. The core value proposition of Bitcoin may well need to be re-evaluated. In all likelihood, Bitcoin's long-run outlook will depend on the applications that can be made to run on top of it and how well such applications get traction and generate revenue. In this, Bitcoin's core asset may well turn out to be less the original proof-of-work-based technology than its large community of fans and developers, as well as the penumbra of media attention it continues to attract. And it is very true what is being said here, because without mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies by the general public and without effective use cases for these cryptocurrencies, the future is quite uncertain. So what do we do to contribute to the rethinking of future? Well, first of all, we are strong advocates of an increased collaboration and the adoption of internal quality standards within the crypto mining industry. We want to help the ecosystem grow by diversifying our products and by making them attractive for the general public. Let's talk a bit about some of the major developments in recent months surrounding the crypto ecosystem. And there have been a few very good ones. It's actually, contrary to the general trend here with obviously the pandemic, it has actually been a good year for cryptocurrencies. Germany, not a huge fan so far of cryptocurrencies, has currently enabled its banks to receive, store, and sell digital assets. A major breakthrough, as Germany is obviously one of the crucial economies in the European Union. G20 countries have established global stablecoin guidelines for future CBDCs. China is performing successful field tests with its digital yuan. But the key message here in the last few months has been actually an announcement by PayPal, which has told to its users, and it's a huge community, clearly, that it will adopt Bitcoin as a payment option. So it will be able for users of PayPal to sell, buy, and use Bitcoin as a payment option. This is massive. This is massive for adoption by the general public. Finally, the global pandemic and the potential recession associated with it leads more and more people into becoming interested and also into adopting crypto as a hedge to all the uncertainties that we are currently facing. What is MineBest offering? Well, one of the things that we have developed in recent years is a smartphone. And it's not just any smartphone, it's a very innovative smartphone. It has two screens, one in the back, one in the front. And we are very happy with the results of this product. Another project, and this will definitely blow your mind, is the fact that MineBest will launch a satellite with a 1 terahash free solar energy powered ASIC machine into space that will mine cryptocurrencies from space. And it will be equipped also with 2 cameras for a live stream of our beautiful Earth and the satellite itself. Wow. Another amazing project that the R&D department has been working on is this beauty, which will be driving on the streets of several cities in the near future, the luxury urban vehicle called the Leah Gabriel. Okay, let's get ready for that in a few years. So, as you can see, the future of MineBest is exciting and bright. Thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed this little presentation. Welcome to the world of MineBest. Welcome to the future.